We're going on the waterfront. One of the biggest supermarkets in Cayman is putting on something. What's its dub name? Remember?
I can't know it's Foster's.
Yeah, Foster's is putting on this big family event with.
I always don't know where you go.
With
6.94? I want to guess.
It gone over again.
You jump from 6.14 to 6.94 just so?
Yeah, the letter.
I'm full now. But me, that bus me.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Leo, when you see it low, you have to just buy the gas.
Yeah, but just by the way, I didn't really reach the light again and it gone up again.
Well, hopefully go down by next day.
So what this year, man, I'm ready.
This is a family event and it's gonna have music and food and games and fireworks and even a concert later on. Because Queen Elizabeth
turned 96 last April.
So here in Cayman we have a long weekend.
You sure about that,
Yeah, I think at 96. This is our 70 year 17 for our summer start with their So I think at 96 long. I think we see 96 somewhere. Long live the Queen! Downtown, guys. Streets clean and clear. So we're heading to the Foster's event. Let's see what it's all about. Start smelling rose, guys. And baby's ahead with Araya.
So guys, we finally found the event and I must say that it was very lively. There was a live band on stage dubbed the Neverines. There were also plenty of food trucks. The Cayman Islands is currently celebrating the Queen's 96th birthday. Foster's Summer Fair was one such event that was held on Jubilee long weekend.
So guys, we're trying to find something to eat.
So guys, there was a huge tent and under the tent children could get their faces painted, as well as there were plenty of vendors that were selling food. Though the event was free, in order to sample the food you had to buy tickets. We got 10 tickets for $25.
We're gonna try to find something to eat, rock to little music. Then we're gonna go home because Bobby's not feeling 100.
So guys, as you know, I'm gluten free, so there was not much to choose from. So hubby got a sandwich and I searched for some good old jerk chicken. Guys, now it was time to see what the band had to offer. Guys, I must tell you that Sweetie Kai, he absolutely loved the guitar playing. He had a blast. You'll see soon. Guys, I must say that this was a different experience, different good, I would believe, and Sweetie Kai had a great time. Look at him go, people. He was having a blast. His birthday is just around the corner. Can you guess what he's getting for his birthday? Father and son having a blast. Look at them go. Look at baby Araya, guys. Guys, we even saw the rock. Though the summer show had so much more to offer, we headed home soon thereafter. It was only 7:30, guys. However, Obi was not feeling his best. I think the show had top-notch performance from Absolute Queen as well as fireworks thereafter. Guys, we really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Sweetie Kai, he had a blast. Guys, he loved playing his imaginary guitar. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the What Are You Waiting For? Please hit that subscription button down below. Like of the video, guys, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.